Welcome to Ajayastro Money Guru, your trusted source for advanced commodity analysis. Today is January 21st, 2026, and we are witnessing a very intriguing phase in the global sugar market. In the recent trading sessions, sugar futures have drifted slightly lower, primarily influenced by a significant surge in supply from India. However, if we look beneath the surface, the market structure remains remarkably resilient, supported by heavy fund positioning and firming spreads. Looking at the international benchmarks, the March ICE raw sugar number 11 contract recently settled down by 0.24 cents, closing at 14.72 cents per pound. Similarly, the May contract saw a minor decline, finishing at 14.34 cents. Despite these softer outright prices, the forward curve continues to trade in backwardation. This means the March contract is maintaining a healthy premium over the May contract, which is a clear signal that nearby demand is still strong and preventing a deeper sell-off. A major driver behind this price action is the current state of speculative positioning. As of mid-January, managed money funds have maintained a very large net short position. We are looking at nearly 244,000 short contracts against just 105,000 longs, resulting in a massive net short stance of approximately 139,000 contracts. However, the latest market data suggests that some of these bears are beginning to cover their positions or move into spread trades. This reduction in bearish conviction is providing a vital safety net for the front-end prices. Turning our attention to the fundamentals, the supply side presents a mixed picture. Data from India for the 2025-26 season shows a dramatic 22% increase in production compared to last year. Total output by mid-January has reached 15.9 million metric tons, driven by higher cane availability and improved yields in states like Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. This surge in production is the primary reason why longer-term contracts are under pressure. At the same time, we are seeing support from refining economics. The white to raw sugar spread is holding steady near $98 per metric ton, which keeps refining margins attractive and ensures that physical demand for raw sugar remains active. While the abundance of Indian sugar is weighing on the horizon, the immediate market is being held together by technical spreads and the reluctance of farmers to sell at these lower price levels. Looking ahead, the next month is set to be a period of high volatility, and we could see a major move in sugar prices very soon. Will this lead to a significant recovery, or are we heading toward a deeper correction? For an advanced technical and astronomical analysis of these trends, we invite you to get in touch with our team. Our contact information is available right now on your screen and in the video description below. Thank you for tuning in to Ajayastro Money Guru, and make sure to subscribe for our upcoming commodity alerts.
मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।